Hello from Gardening at Dwensa, and this video is coming to you from the beautiful island in the Azores, São Miguel, where today I've come along to an amazing tea plantation. All around me, lots and lots of tea bushes, Camellia sinensis, and in fact this region in the Azores is the only place in Europe where they make tea commercially.
We pour the leaves on that traces and stay there 3 hours for make the oxidation at the normal temperature of this room. Next, the leaves goes to the dryer. This is the old dryer, it's a museum. Dry at only 20 kilos, tea in 1 hour. All of the red machines, it's from 1920, come from England. The blue machines that you will see in the other room, it looks very old, but they are from 1999, come from India, please. This bigger machine, it's the new dryer, Portuguese Diesel, dry the tea at temperature 90 degrees and dry 120 kilos, tea in 1 hour. After the dryer, we pour the tea on these two machines for separate the tea by the different size of the leaf. The bigger one for the soft, the middle size for the medium, and the smaller for the strongest one. We produce around 6 tons of organic tea in a season, only to Portugal. Do you have any question at the moment? No? Okay. So now it's from here, please. Beginning of boiling water, and the infusion is 3 to 5 minutes. Now you are going to taste the brown leaf, the soft tea. This is the tea right?
acres and acres of glorious tea. I just love it here. There's something so joyous about walking in here among the tea. I don't know why. And as you all know, I've grown tea in my garden for a couple of years. 3 quite measly bushes, and I've actually, I've made some tea. I'm going to link to that video up above. But, well, my socks are knocked off here because here we actually see flowers on the bushes and fruit. My sorry bushes have never actually flowered, but now I know what to look out for when they actually do. Okay, I guess that brings us to the end of this video about Porto Formoso, the tea plantation here in the north of São Miguel, an island in the Azores, midway between Lisbon and New York. That's all for now. Bye.